Okay. Ready to go. Yeah. Okay. What's good, people? What's going on? And what's happening out there? Well, it's your boy Alan, and I'm back again with another video. I know it's still early. I know it's just early as we're going to kill fish. It's 5:46 in the morning. I could have done this. I could have done this 12. I could have done this midnight, 12 a.m. or somewhere around 2 or 4. But I decided, you know what, let me just spare some energy and sleep. I'm gonna wake up early, just do it. But I chose to wake up. I woke up 4:39, which is like 4:40 a.m. And ever since I've been up and I got the energy to be on my desk so I can upload my weekly outlook. So without further ado, boom, because now we're here, just get up, put in work, and continue with whatever that might be happening. So as I analyzed yesterday, but I couldn't finish because I had my family members around looking at the time, looking at what we're looking at the mass, what we always start our day, our weekly outlook with. We can tell that like we had a positive week for the mass. And on the video I uploaded Friday, you should go check it out. I was anticipating a big continuation from here at double top, but because now price closed above that intraday support level, which was now a resistant level, looking at the past history. So now the only thing we're waiting for from the daily time frame is for Monday to have a bullish close for bullish continuation with take profit right there. I'm not looking for something big or something too exciting. I'm just looking to go in, go out, just enjoy my day, just do whatever that I might be doing at that time. So on the NAS, we're anticipating a double top. If we get a bullish breakout, if we get a bullish close above this daily candlestick from Friday, then we might have a stronger continuation to the upside. But if we have a big close, which retraces the whole candlestick, then we might potentially have a double top with a big close on Monday for a potential continuation to the upside. So I believe that like Nas don't have much to say or much to do because we're simply looking at the current price. We're simply looking at what's currently happening from here. We can tell the like price did try to react on our resistant level, but it also continued. So this the cells we took on Friday, they were actually an exhaustion phase for further push phase to the upside. But that's not the case because now what we're simply waiting for from our daily time frame, we're simply waiting for a daily time frame to have a bullish close to retrace the whole candlestick which we had on Friday, or for potential for potential double top of price closing all of this retracement. The Friday retracement we had, if you can at least close it with like a 50% or 90% retracement for potential market reversal, then yeah, this is what we've been looking for. So on the one edge, so now what we're simply waiting for on the one edge, because we did have some depletion like we spoke about. We did have some depletion, some bullish depletion, and we had the bears stepping in. But the bulls were still in charge of the charts just so we can end the week and they continue pushing to the upside. So what we're simply waiting for is for price to actually continue bullish or for price to show us some type of big trend coming in inside of the charts. So Nas, I wouldn't say Nas will be hard to trade this week, but you just need to stick to your plans, stick to how you take trades, how you execute trades. How you plan and how you execute will be more important than how you actually analyze and how you do everything because now you can analyze and see potential sales, and then you will lack you can lack discipline and patience and take trades at the wrong places at the right time. You understand me? So Nas, I believe you just need to be patient with it. Just relax. We don't need let it come to you before you having to go to it. Because on my side, I can only take bullish continuation trades to the upside once I get a momentum candle with an anticipation of a continuation. And I'm gonna start looking for the bears once we retrace this whole week rejection. All those week rejections right there, which we have, I'm gonna only circle the final one because it's the lowest rejection that I see, which is about 250 pips. It is tradable. It is tradable. It is highly tradable. I can trade 250 pips and I can be willing to lose 70 pips just so to gain 250, 240 pips. So Nas, we're only looking for continuation trades to the upside once you get that bullish momentum. And we're only looking for bears to step in the charts once you get that bear close on the daily time frame for potential downward top and weekly downward top for a stronger continuation to the downside. You feel me? Gold has been bullish. Gold has been trading beautiful for this time ever since price came back to the major support level. Ever since price came back to this major support level, which we had like 5 touches, which this was the first touch, and price just shot to the upside. So on the daily time frame, because you can tell that like we have a major and we have a minor support level. So on our minor support level, because price closed above inside that support level. The only thing we're waiting for is for a bullish close on Tuesday for continuation to the upside on Wednesday. Monday, we wait for a bullish close. Tuesday, that's when we can take continuation trades to the upside. So on our 4H, you can tell the like price pushed, exhausted, pushed. The only thing we might wait for is for continuation, push, exhaustion for continuation. But at the same time, because I did state that I'll be only looking for buys above this high, this 4 hour week rejections, that's where we'll be looking to take continuation buys from because we can anticipate taking buys, boom, and then price reacts from the previous market rejections and pushes us further to the downside. But if we can at least have a 4 hour bullish close above those weak rejections, bro, then we are good to say we will continue bullish because this are weak rejections. Price has been failing to go make those highs at the support level until it actually broke out. So because now price closed above this level, the only thing we wait for is for price to trade above those weak rejections for continuation to the upside. Oh, even on the 4H, you can tell that like we're having a bull, we're having some sort of bull structure. So the only thing we're waiting for now, because we potentially have a double top, looking at the current structure, price did print out a high and print out a higher low and came back on this high, couldn't be higher than the previous high, and price just shot. But because we had a strong bullish close on Friday, the only thing we wait for, like I said, from the 4H is for a 4 hour close above those rejections for an anticipation of a continuation to the upside. So on gold this week, the only thing I'm waiting for, that's for it's for Monday. On Monday, when market open, new month, August, we wait for a bullish close above the 4 hour rejections to start to continue moving bullish, or we wait for bearish close for the daily on the daily time frame on Monday to start looking for that bear pressure, which is simply more like we'll be buying our resistance because now this is the minor support. I'm using it for past history, but looking at current price, this is the resistance because if we break support, If we break support, we have new resistance. If we break resistance, we have new support. So that's how it is. You feel me? We simply wait for what? For our close above multiple rate rejections to continue bullish, or that fail to go make those new highs to start going lower with price. In a German 30 also did have a bullish week, which we did close above which we did close above intraday support level or intraday resistant level. So with the bullish candle close, I only wait for continuation to the upside because I can't say much and I can't do much, bro. So heading down to the 4H. The 4H did have a double top. Price did come back, creating a high, coming back on that high, breaking off of that high. So with this push exhaustion, so push exhaustion, push exhaustion, which might be a potential retest, breakout and retest for further continuation to the upside. I can't say much. I'm not looking for short trades. I'm not looking for short trades on German 30 because I can see that like the structure of the current price, behavior of the current price, they're all bearish. So why would we be looking for bulls? Why would we be looking for the bears to step in if you can see the bulls are strong in the charts? So we simply wait for an exhaustion phase from there to continue moving to the upside on German 30, on US 30, on German 30 from the 4H. So on the daily time frame, you can tell our behavior is bullish. We have a high and high low, high, potential higher low, which is the 4 hour retest, which would be the hourly higher low for a continuation to the upside. So if we see a fail to go make those new highs, the only thing I'd be waiting for is for price to tap in back again, break in and retest up below. Okay, to break in above, to break in from above and retest below to continue moving to the downside. So yeah, I don't think the market will be hard to trade this week, like I said, but you just need to stick to your plan, believe in yourself, and just let the rest be history. German 30, US 30, we can't tell that like we are in a strong push phase to the upside. I can't say much. I won't do much. I head to the 4H because now the 4H, our current price had a correction, which was more like a push, correction, push. If we can only get an exhaustion phase for continuation, or we can simply wait for price to come back to the previous resistant level, start looking for that bear pressure, and then we might take those trades. Because there's not much to say. I can see that like it's just like that. I can't do much, I can't say much. Even from the 4H, even from the 1H, the only thing that we simply wait for, bro. The only thing we might had to wait for, to me, to my side, it's just simply wait for price to just exhaust in any way so we can continue with it, or to wait for it to get back to this previous support level, to this previous resistant level, and start moving to the downside on US 30. And I wasn't done with USD CAD. I wasn't done on USD CAD, but I must start on the 4H because now, because now, let me try and remove some history. Because now we were having a support and we were having a resistance and we were having a key level, which price has been correcting for some time. What we found, what happened that like what I found, why do I talk like I have a team? Why? Means I must soon have one. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to have one, but I don't need one. So to me, I saw this bay. I saw like this bay structure. and price broke out of the support level. So the only thing I said, possible sells at break off lows. Price did break those lows, boom, closing below those lows. So the only thing we wait for, bro, is for just continuation to the downside because I can't say much and I won't do much. Your phone can't say much, and I can't break it down to whatever level that I might need to break it down to. You feel me? But what I can tell from the one age, we had price creating a low, correcting on the low, reacting from the previous low, breaking off of that low. So the only thing I wait for is for just the continuation to the downside, or for price to reach us right there to continue moving to the downside. You feel me? I don't see price being bearish. I don't see price being bullish that much on USD CAD because I can tell that like the bears are just in charge of the charts. That's what I can see from this breakout and break in of the support of the resistant level. Price had a breakout and broke in impulsively. And ever since, we just had that bear rally to the downside. Just had that bear rally to the downside. So Tesla did like Tesla printed Tesla printed a high sometime, printed a high, broke in again of the support level of the resistant level and broke out again impulsively breaking the highs. So to me, I can say that like um um we're simply waiting. We're simply okay. To me, the only thing I want to say is we're waiting for price to do what? We're waiting for tech stocks to be done with their earnings and everything so we can start having our continuation bear ready to the downside because I can tell that like we are still bearish, we are still having a bear structure. We might have okay, like I don't believe that like stocks like the stocks have found the bottom. I don't believe that like stocks have found the bottom. I still see a bear really to the downside, bro, because we have high inflation, bro. We still have war. We have oil prices. We have um we have higher price rates. We have demand in food. We have demand in commodities. We have high demand in oil. We have high demand in what? So many things, bro. So many things. If we can at least get a positive, if we can at least get a positive results concerning positive results concerning inflation, the war, oil prices, and maybe food prices, then I might say that like is looking to price did found a bottom. Besides that, I don't see anything. I just see price being bullish. I just see price being bearish, bro. So on Tesla, looking at the 1H, we did break that double top like we did on the German 30 so breakout, retest, continuation to the upside. You feel me? So looking at Bitcoin, like I said on Friday, I see a potential double top and price is rejecting that level with multiple week rejections. It failed to breakout, break in, breakout, break in. So what I need to do is to head to the 4H. So from the 4H, you can tell that like we are still in a double top type of structure because now price did break out and broken impulsively. So the only thing we're waiting for, because I will still analyze damn, them niggas just got exploded, bro. They just drop a bomb on them niggas and now they dead. All of them, all of them niggas they dead, bro. So like I was saying, like like I was saying, we have multiple rate rejections on the daily time frame. The bulls are failing to go make those highs, and the bears are trying to step in on the charts. So because we've been printing out those lows, the only thing I wait for a break, retest or continuation to the downside. That's my only take. That's what I can say. That's what I see, and that's what I can trade. Looking at the 1H, yeah, Price is trading off of that level. Price is trading off of that level. So the only thing we wait for, bro, is for break, retest, for continuation to the downside on Bitcoin because we have the multiple projections to fail to break the upside. Well, if we get a bullish breakout above those multiple big rejections, then we can say something about it. Ethereum, Ethereum is also failing to go make those highs from the daily time frame. So on the 1H, so from the 1H, you can tell that like our current structure, current prices in a correction, current prices in a correction. So the only thing we wait for, break above, break below to continue with price. Because we don't trade when price is in a range, price is moving sideways. We don't trade it. We simply wait for breakout, whether it's bullish or bearish. So yeah, even on the 1A, bullish breakout or a bearish breakout to continue with price. Even on Litecoin, we can see prices failing to go make those highs, and we're having some bear pressure. So from the whole age, so from the whole age, so from the 4H, the only thing we wait for, bro, is for the bear momentum to step in, boom, close below, close above, and continue bullish or bearish with price. You feel me? So I can't say much, and I don't want to break it down to whatever point that I might try to break it down to because we won't end up finding what we're looking for. So let's just wait for what we say on Litecoin. Last but not least, last but not least, oil. My oil charts are dirty. They're very dirty. They dirty as fuck. So, so my daily time frame, price is just in a sideways movement. Looking at current price, I printed out this level from previous weekly outlook, saying we simply wait for potential buys once price trades above this level. But price has been trading above and trading back below. So oil might be a no-go for me. You feel me? Oil might be a no-go for me. Oil might be a no-go for me, bro. Like I said, oil might be a no-go. I might not vouch for oil this week. I might not vouch for oil this week But yeah, I can see this bold structure. So we can take those buys from here. Once price feels making those lows, we start moving bearish, bullish with price because we might have a retest on here. Price might be reacting from this level before me, but at the same time, like I said, I don't want to analyze and break it down together for some people to understand it. So yeah, that's my weekly outlook. This is the weekly outlook. I know I might have not broken down the market like I always do. I might have not done things that I always do. I understand it. My bad about it. But like I said, we're looking for continuation buys on NAS once you get that big, that bullish momentum, or we get that big momentum once price closes below the resistance level. Gold, or simply wait for continuation buys when we trade above those multiple week rejections. German 30, we simply wait for an exhaustion phase to continue bullish. We simply wait for an exhaustion phase to continue bullish. We simply wait for the close up below lows to continue bearish. We simply wait for an exhaustion phase to continue bullish. We simply wait for a trade below those lows to start going bearish. Same shit, we're in a correction, you wait for a bullish break or bearish break. And here, simply wait for a break for close below or close above. Here, can't say much. So, so yeah, that's just my outlook. That's just my outlook. That's just my outlook. I always look for what's there for me to take. I don't look for things that I might not be able to take or hold within of me. But if it's not hard for me, it won't be hard for you. If it's not stressing me, it won't stress you. If it don't put me in an uncomfortable situation, it won't do to you. So like I say, you gotta trust the process, believe in yourself, stay patient, stay committed, stay positive, stay disciplined and stay focused because those are some aspects that bring greatness to people and mostly especially traders. So without further ado, it's your boy Harlem and it's a Sunday today. I wanted to upload earlier than I could so I can just continue with my day and without being on a laptop or on my desk like I always am. Like I say, it's a new month tomorrow. Greatness on greatness. You gotta pray for greatness, work for greatness, prepare yourself for greatness, and live inside greatness and just be great. So yeah, I feel like I'm even talking a lot now. And I found my black card. I feel like I'm even capping a lot. It's your boy Harlan. If you ain't live trading with Harlan, who are you doing it with? And I will upload more videos this week on how I take trades, how I analyze. I know I did post it, but I'm gonna try and make a different one. So it's your boy Harlem. And that's all I got. Peace and love. Peace and love. And I'm signing out.